Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Lucky Star Universal Apple TV Replacement Remote Control. This universal remote control replaces the original aluminum or white plastic remote that came with your Apple TV, depending on which model you have. You'll receive the remote control, a pair of AAA batteries, and a set of instructions. The remote is made from lightweight plastic and measures 5 3/4 inches by 1.5 inches and is half an inch thick. So it's larger than either of the original Apple remotes, but it's also easier to keep track of. The remote only comes in black, but it has the same buttons and functions as the original remote. 4 directional keys, center OK button, menu, and play pause. On the back is the door for the battery bay, which slides down to open. It's nice that it comes with a set of batteries, so you can use it right out of the box. I also prefer the AAA batteries because they're easier to buy than the coin cell when I need to replace them. I've got the 2013 Apple TV 3rd generation model number A1469, but this remote is also compatible with models A1427 and the 2nd gen A1378. The instruction sheet explains how to pair and unpair the remote to your Apple TV, but I actually found that this step was unnecessary. According to the instructions, to link the remote to the Apple TV, just press the right button and menu button at the same time and hold for 5 seconds while pointing at the Apple TV. You will see this link icon appear in the top left-hand corner when successful pairing has occurred. If you need to unpair the remote, press and hold the left button and menu key for 5 seconds while pointing at the Apple TV, and you'll see this broken link icon appear. As I mentioned, it wasn't necessary for me to perform either of these steps. Once I put the batteries in the remote, my Apple TV recognized it right away, and I was back to using the Apple TV like normal. Now would be a good time to set up your iPhone or iPad as a backup remote control, so if you want to learn how to do that, check out my video in the info bubble above. Overall, this universal replacement remote works great. There was pretty much zero setup involved, and it worked right out of the box. It even came with batteries and has a larger form factor, making it less likely, though not impossible, to lose. Plus, it cost half as much as the replacement genuine Apple TV remote, but works just the same. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.